Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. We're going to show you how to rekey a smart key. It's pretty simple. You insert your existing key, turn it 45 degrees to the right. Insert the smart key pin. Pull out your existing key. Then insert the key that you want to key it to. And then turn it. And you can turn it either way, to the left or to the right, doesn't matter. But that rekeys it to your existing key. And then your old key will no longer work because your smart key has been rekeyed. So 45 degrees shown in this video. It kind of applies to when you're tightening something. 45 degrees past tight. It's just that 45 degrees, turning it to the right. Clockwise, just 45 degrees. Common mistake people make with plumbing. Over tightening. But that's a completely different subject. I hope to be bringing you a new video coming soon on the keys to success when using smart keys. It's kind of geared more to people in building maintenance. You know, the tricks and kind of strategies I've come up with to be able to survive the keying process when using smart keys. It kind of takes a different approach because as we know, things don't always work perfectly. They work well, but anyway, some of the tips and tricks I've come up with, a little bit of experience I've had changing to using smart keys. And the smart keys have come a long way. They've got some things they've developed in making it harder to drill a lock and harder to bump locks, which was a problem with previous locks, like with some of the older quick sets and stuff. So some of the engineering has gotten better, and so it's a nice lock. I put links in the descriptions below to the locks and to some of the tools for using smart keys. The rekeying tool, recradle tool for a lock that didn't take, because that happens sometimes. Anyway, I'll be bringing you more on this subject in the future. Thanks for watching. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
Are you held by the cells of your flesh? Are you chained by the fear of death? Are you trapped by the stone of yesterday's sin? Look unto Jesus, he rose from the grave after the sins of the world were placed on his back. He offered up himself a living sacrifice. Look to the cross, behold God's Lamb, yeah. He said, it is finished. Stone he has rolled it away. Son of man came to seek and to save that which was lost. He came to show sinners the way out through his cross. Repent and believe, and receive as God does send the Spirit of truth into your heart, cleansing your conscience, giving you a clean start. You are in a battle, surrounded by the angels at war. Do you hear the knocking?